दीपो भक्ष्यते द्वान्तं कज्जलं च प्रसूयते यदन्नं भक्षये नित्यं जायते तादृशी प्रजा. This ancient Sanskrit saying translates as lamp eats darkness and produces soot daily, so will one produce. Or, in short, we are what we eat. Oriens specializes in the process of producing organic fertilizers and firmly believes in the above. We have been always driven by the law of nature, wherein we believe in preserving Mother Earth in all possible ways. Our belief is that this in return will be of highest benefit to the human population. Oriens as a team is a team for wellness. The products that are being introduced today are Oriens Humic Bio Rooter, Oriens Fulvic 20 Plus, and Oriens Nutri Seaweed Gel. Oriens Humic Bio Rooter. It is well known that chemical fertilizers do not help with regard to the pH value of the soil. Continuous usage of chemical fertilizers leaves the soil dead and with absolutely no capacity to enable growth of any plants. This is where Oriens Humic Bio Rooter is most advantageous. Being a biological agent, Oriens Humic Bio Rooter does absolutely no harm to the soil. On the contrary, it works as a catalyst and the pH value gets to the perfect 6 to 7 when the soil starts breathing efficiently. The result of this improvement in the soil is the direct reason for healthy, lengthy, and deep roots. It need not be told that roots are the basis for every plant. Strong roots give strong plants. Oriens Humic Bio Rooter increases root formation and root respiration. Uptake of nutrients from the soil is made easy for the plant because of these strong roots. Proliferation of necessary and efficient microorganisms is also sucked in with ease from the soil. Yet another advantage of Oriens Humic Bio Rooter is that it increases resistance against pests and diseases. The advantages of Oriens Humic Bio Rooter can be summarized as biological stimulation of plants and activities of microorganisms. Plant enzymes get stimulated, thus increasing production. Acts as an organic catalyst in many biological processes, stimulates root growth, thus ensuring uptake of nutrients more efficiently, enhances natural resistance of plants against diseases and pests, increases respiration and root formation, and increases quality of yields and their physical appearance. Dosage and directions for use. Apply a mixture of 2 to 3 ml of Oriens Humic Bio Rooter with 1 liter of water for spraying. Oriens Humic Bio Rooter can be applied to soil by drenching 2 to 3 ml per liter of water. Oriens Fulvic 20 Plus. Fulvic is created by microbial activity at the roots of plants. Plants cannot uptake minerals into their root system until they have been converted by Fulvic into an ionic, organic form. These converted minerals are then taken by the roots. Plants then become saturated with health-giving Fulvic. This gives much-needed nutrients to the plants and trees. Today, fruits and vegetables are large, uniform and beautiful. However, tests show that the nutrient content of today is much lower than in past years. Foods with high fulvic content are very difficult to obtain, making it essential that one has to find substitutes. With Oriens Fulvic 20 Plus, the roots are given the power to uptake minerals into their root system easily. This gives the essential nutrients to the plants and trees. Oriens Fulvic 20 Plus aids penetration of roots and then quickly transports nutrients to the shoots of plants. Oriens Fulvic 20 Plus reduces oxygen deficiency and increases the vital activity of cells and roots. Advantages of Oriens Fulvic 20 Plus are: stimulates plant metabolism, acts as a stimulant for plant respiration, increases metabolism of proteins and multiple enzymes, permeability of cell membranes, cell division and cell elongation are enhanced, crop yields are increased substantially. Dosage and directions for use. Apply a mixture of 2 to 3 ml of Oriens Fulvic 20 Plus with 1 liter of water for spraying. Oriens Fulvic 20 Plus can be applied to soil by drenching 2 to 3 ml per liter of water. Oriens Nutri Seaweed Gel. Nutri Seaweed Gel is an organic extract derived from nutritional marine algae. But it has many other minerals, vitamins and enzymes that are natural growth stimulants. Magnesium, silica, zinc, iodine, borax, sodium, potassium, cobalt, copper, iron, etc. are found in abundance. Many of these are not found elsewhere. These nutrients fuel the plant cell's growth, and this results in healthier, stronger, and more disease-resistant plants. Increased uptake of nutrients from the soil, better resistance to frost and other stress conditions, increased resistance to pests, and, at the end of all, better yield. Another major component in liquid seaweed are the hormones. The main hormones in seaweed are auxins, gibberellins, cytokinins, and betaines. The roles of these hormones are essential to plant health. They have both growth stimulating as well as delaying functions. They stimulate root growth, prevent bud forming or opening at the wrong times. Oriens Nutri Seaweed Gel is the perfect mix that makes available all vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and hormones in the right proportion. The advantages of Oriens Nutri Seaweed Gel are increase in yield by 20 to 30%, improves immunity and resistance of plants, photosynthesis is improved drastically, flowering and color of yield improves, weathering of flowers and leaves are reduced, size and weight of seeds are increased, and strengthens the plant shoot system. Dosage. For all kinds of vegetables, green flowering plants, spices and all plantation crops, dilute 30 to 40 gram of seaweed in 10 liters of water and apply as a basal application. Advantages of continuous usage of Oriens products. India is fast moving towards 100% elimination of chemicals and a strong move towards organic substitutes. Bhutan is the only country in the world to have achieved 100% organic cultivation. In India, Sikkim is the only state. Other states are following suit. By continuous usage of Oriens organic products, the soil gets altered. Within 3 years of usage, the soil gets rid of 60% of the chemical factors. And then gradually, the soil ultimately will be 100% organic. It is estimated that India would be 100% organic by the year 2022. Oriens Humic Bio Rooter. Oriens Fulvic 20 Plus, Oriens Nutri Seaweed Gel. In short, by avoiding chemical fertilizers and replacing them with organic in entirety gives healthy yield. Many of the present-day diseases in human beings is because of the food that is consumed. This food is loaded with poisonous chemicals because of the usage of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Using organic is the only solution for reducing diseases. Not only does organic cultivation reduce illnesses, it also improves the quality of life tremendously. With good and organic food consumption, a healthy life is achieved. This leads to what should be the goal. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu.